Alright, my gangs, my boy. Welcome back with me, Ronaldo Gilbert. Bagaimana ngoni kabar my gengs, my boy? Semoga ngoni baik-baik saja dan jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing a song of duda-duda. Sesuai judul, orang bule minum cap tikus, ya. Orang luar negeri minum cap tikus. Kita mau lihat orang respon bagaimana ya my gengs, my boy. Apakah orang suka atau nyanda? Karena memang cap tikus itu minuman lokal, ya. Jadi orang mesti bangga kalau orang luar minum cap tikus. Kalau orang luar merek-merek minuman Jack D, Baileys, Red Label, Black Label, torang minum di sini, dorang bangga. Kalau dorang minum cap tikus, babale, torang yang bangga. Ayo toh, langsung jom gengs, my boy, torang bau nih. Dorang mau minum cap tikus. Tapi sebelumnya ini ada dorang mau makan tinutuan. Pokoknya yang berbau-berbau Manado lah, dorang mau makan my gengs, my boy. Hey. Asik deh. Oh, dari Jerman, dari Amerika, dari Italia, Filipino, Amerika, Singapura. Oke. Tradisional Manado food. Oh, Manado food dulu pertama ya, my gengs, my boy.
Yes, but I don't remember.
I have.
I don't. You?
I've never had Manado News food.
Yeah,
Not at all.
Manado. No,
I actually only tried Manado News food literally like maybe a month ago.
Manado is a part in like Indonesia.
Well, now I do.
Like all the different islands and shit is part of Sulawesi.
Okay.
Oh, dorang nih tahu Manado, ha. Pertama tinutuan. Aha. Bubur Manado.
Alright.
Asik di lagu. Di lagu Manado sekali no. Dengan hip hop reggae.
See corn porridge.
Mainly looks like sweet corn. Like you know the
Jagung?
Chinese corn you get in like Chinese restaurants with like crab meat.
No.
Is it kangkung or spinach or both?
And tofu.
Veg.
My concern is more what's in this bowl.
Oh, that's chili right there.
Definitely some chili.
Chili, sambal, rica.
Smells like sriracha. Smell.
Ooh. So this is like
I'm gonna try that.
Coba dang, mau lihat dang. Apakah kau suka tinutuan?
Oh man, I love it.
Dia suka? Oke.
delicious.
That's some spicy chili.
Pidis.
Dude, it is spicy. I don't know if it is spicy because of the sauce or if it was it spicy before when like you had it?
Not at all.
That shit's dangerous. No, this is nice. Like a porridge.
Enak. Enak dong bilang.
You can keep
Uh-huh.
this.
Yeah. We don't like that one.
Oh, Doria suka di dabu-dabu do. Ini sambal roa. Manado sekali kan? Sambal roa.
It looks both spicy and peppery.
Smoky?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oke. Ngana makan nasi sedap sekali itu.
Fish.
Dia bilang bau amis no, bantal lapangannya.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Dung tete. Sedap sekali di nasi. Sungguh.
You want to like do it together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that.
That's what she said. Which kind of smells. I don't know what that means. Oh.
Wait.
Hold on. Ooh.
Ah.
Where did that come from?
I
Rice.
have like sweat on. Actually, you know
Why?
what?
Why is it so delayed?
I can still handle this.
Ah.
Oh man.
It tastes like a chili.
Aha. Sedap sekali di nasi.
It is really.
Dorang nih tahu orang Manado suka sekali pidis.
You know, it's a fruit or a veggie?
Vegetable.
It's a fruit.
I
Nah.
can't classify it as a fruit.
Nah,
Who cares?
Paniki, aduh. Jadi banyak perbincangan karena Paniki berhubungan dengan corona, tapi memang dari dulu memang orang sini lain jaga makan Paniki.
Here's the next dish.
Okay.
I don't even know what kind of meat this is. Like chicken.
Did this guy come with a partner named Robin?
They all look like ribs.
Is that a bat?
It smells like chicken.
Rabbit? Did they burn it?
That looks like a bat.
Ooh. Ooh.
Kelelawar dong itu.
Dude, what the?
No, I mean, have they run out of like other animals to kill?
Dia bilang apa ini? Kalian udah mulai kehabisan binatang buat dimasak ya?
I mean, have they run out of like other animals to kill?
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god!
Okay, you try first. I tried the last one first.
Coba dong, kalau kalian suka.
Crunchy?
What is this?
What is this? What is that? What is that?
Evian pelaku ini, kita tahu Evian pelaku ini.
So,
So this looks a lot darker.
Some type of bird, like a pigeon or something like that.
I mean, it is really, really black.
it is. Or did you lose a tooth?
Aha.
Oh, you crunching over there, girl?
Mau disuka tuhnya enggak, Paniki?
I don't even know.
Oh shit.
Something similar to
Mirip tikus. Sekali
it's
tikus dorang makan.
Of mammal.
But it's really good though.
I like it.
Enak.
I like it.
Dia suka. Patola ular. Ular sekarang.
Last dish.
Hidangan terakhir.
All right.
Aha.
and the seafood.
I think you should try it first.
No. This is your dish.
Why do these look like fins? I don't think.
Nasi goreng.
Oh, it has wings.
Okay, for sure that's the same, right?
Yeah.
That's for sure the same.
DP bumbu sama.
I think it's like eel or something.
Belut.
It has a spine, bro.
Dude, this shit has hella bones. Look at that.
When I go to McDonald's, the spine is gone.
Whoa, dude.
Oh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. The last one was rat.
Oh, no. Come on.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Coba makan. Sedap enggak patola?
It
Hah?
tastes like chicken, but it looks like bat. Oh, it's like jerky.
It's sweet.
Manis. Ah,
Chicken wings.
It looks like
chicken wings. Bukan dong.
Flavor wise.
bat and rat bat. I don't want any more of that though. I'm sorry.
Sekarang cap tikus. Cap tikus tok dong minum. Seperti biasa DP kemasan dalam kemasan bekas air mineral ya.
Oh man.
Coba cium. Bakar meledak itu, Cok.
Medicine.
What is this?
Smells like nail polish remover.
Well, I am a shot girl. So I will
Oh, pang minum ngana cewek. I'm a sad girl. Oke.
finish this shit. It's a fucking challenge. Let's do it.
Alright, let's go. Cheers.
Aha. Coba rasa CTP Naraci. Oh, bisa sekali dia buka dan minum. Mana tola?
It's definitely vodka.
Mana ngana bilang tadi mana ngana shot girl? Mana apa shot? Hah?
No,
It's like moonshine or whatever.
I take that back.
Miss, I'm a shot girl.
Cleaning everything. It's like honey.
Sadap sekali ngana minum tok. Oh, tarik napas panjang.
Cheers.
Udah dong bagi ulang. Merah tuh cewek muka Aha.
So the first one was this.
Bubur mana dong?
Yeah.
Favorite dish so far.
Bubur mana dong suka? Samroa.
Oh,
She likes that. It's rare for me to eat fish, so I can really taste that fish.
Kelelawar.
Holy shit, I called it.
Ah,
So you trying to tell me that you giving us dog sauce?
That maggot thing is his pee-pee.
no.
wow.
What the hell is going on in the world?
Ular.
They have bones. Wait, how the fuck is it? I mean, it's not bad. Like this is snake. That looks like bird.
One more time. I'm too drunk to comprehend. What?
Wait, is it really?
Sumawo dia.
Way.
Iya no, bakar banyak lah.
Don't worry about the name, alright? It's called Chapikus.
Chaptikus? What does that mean?
Rat spat.
Yeah.
CTP Naraci aku mau tambah lagi.
Bagi Joe Padilla.
Sebelum dia pakai patorang.
Bagi Joe Padilla sebelum dia bagi
Patorang.
Bagi Joe
Padia sebelum dia bagi patorang. Tong baku bagi Jo. Injang kalau mau injang ya tuh. CTP Naraci. Next orang lihat ada orang Korea minum cap tikus. Cap tikus. Orang Korea.
진짜 취할 것 같아.
팅하면 안 취하잖아.
Coba dong mau lihat. Tapi kok kalau cap tikus di situ kita rasa so lain kalau di kemasan so di situ.
우수가 몇 톤인지 봐봐.
43도던데? 더 약간
43%.
그리고 뭔가 이거는 커피라고 적혀 있는 게 좀 향이 이것보다 더 좋을 것 같아. 야 잠깐만 이거 내 생각에 커피를 채취하는 것 같아. 커피콩인가? 커피콩이고 얘 커피
Biji kopi.
이렇게 무섭게 그래.
Pakai kopi. Oh berarti dorang so tambah-tambah ramuan-ramuan ini.
마시지만 술은 잘 따요.
Lihat toh so lain DP warna toh magi yang boy. Kalau cap tikus toh dia bening.
아 맞다. 아 죄송해요 이거 커피인 줄 알았어 커피.
Ini sama Nesa Ledo ini.
커피 사탕. 아까 이거보다 고소한 향이 더 있어.
저는 저 혼자 따라요.
자작하면 솔로 3.
Coba dong, mau lihat.
이제 더 이상은 네이버.
Mampu nggak ngoni mau handle cap tikus?
따르는 순간 방 안에 커피 향이 가득 찼어.
근데 커피 향이 나는 와중에 그 알코올 향도 엄청나게 올라와.
Chan. Coba dong, Chan. One shot. Jangan rasa-rasa, one shot.
되게 좋아서 확 마셨는데 엄청난.
Mana kira sadap cap tikus.
커피 향이 나는데. 아 뜨거워.
아까보다는 괜찮.
Memang ngana pang minum nih cewek ini.
근데 말을 마시고 나서
향과는 너무 다른 맛이야. 지금 여기쯤 내려왔어. 여기다 여기. 여기 있어 여기. 다시 여기야. 아직도 여기 있다고? 다시 여기 있어.
내려갔겠지.
여기 내려가다. 여기 있어 이제. 뭐야 어디 걸렸다가 내려가서.
Dia bilang masih di leher kata.
아 세네요. 여러분 이거
Beneran keras dia bilang. Mana?
여기 내려가다. 여기 있어 이제. 뭐야 어디 걸렸다가.
Mana dia bilang ya?
아 세네요.
Wah ini beneran keras. Ini rasang itu cap tikus.
여러분 이거 원액으로 마시는 거 맞아요? 저희 잘 마시는 거 맞아요?
소주 마시다가 마시면 되게 맛있게 먹을 것 같아.
소주보다 맛있어?
Oh soju. Aduh jangan kasih buku campur soju dan cap tikus. Aduh mau kelepek-kelepek ngana. Mau rubuh Bruno. Mau lagi? Oh mau lagi.
언니 멋져요. 지선 제 흑기사 해주실래요?
Dong tamu lu orang suka sama gengs my boy.
높아심에 드리는 말씀이지만 어린아이들 따라하면 안 돼요.
청소년은
안 돼요.
자, 그럼 채원이부터 카운터 행복 가시죠.
너무 이렇게.
One shot. Asik deh. Oh dia putar begitu ya? Dorang suka no.
해머 또그 와중에 깔끔하게 먹네.
Oh.
잠깐만 아직 남아 있어.
Aduh setengah mati sekali lewe karena one shot. Jangan masih ada sisa kok minum ulang.
여러분 이제 우린 자러 갈게요.
이번에는 좀 제가
Aduh tidur ya. Aduh ngana.
성인 버전.
진짜
Karena kira nggak sadap ada DP mau tak ganteng sedikit dan ngana bobo. Ya mungkin begitu cuma gengs my boy tapi video tentang orang bule dan orang Korea ya yang minum cap tikus dan dorang suka ya. Torang mesti bangga, mesti bikin banyak-banyak tutup tikus kong supaya torang jual sokong banyak pemasukan torang pe daerah. Orang luar boleh jual jack di segala macam di sini masa torang boleh jual cap tikus di luar sana. Yo toh. Dan begitu cuma gengs bye bye kita pe video. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe, everybody sing a song of Duda Duda Dadah.